Hello guys, let's do a quick portfolio check. It's mid-May 2026 and if you've been watching the charts, you know Baby Doge is currently in a steady high-level consolidation pace, sitting right around that 4.4 to 4.5 level. It's holding a key support line while the wider market takes a breath. Why the sideways movement the whole crypto space is drifting right now as traders react to the latest US macro inflation data. When Bitcoin moves range bound around 80k, standard market flow dictates that meme assets consolidate too. But there's what separates the paper hands from the diamond hands. Even with lower non-directional volume across the board, the baseline accumulation is active. Smart money is not panicking. They are setting dynamic stop losses and utilizing the consolidation.